So this is part of part one. Then we already added 4 eggs, and now we are going to add the sugar. Ooh. Oh, the bubblies. Take off some soy sauce, because soy sauce is great with everything. Got all that together. Now we're gonna obviously stir everything. Make sure to get everything stirred up and really good. And then we're going to add our meat. Right now we're putting in chicken backs. I'm gonna put it in, and we're gonna put it in and marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. Make sure it's all covered up and everything gets absorbed. And that's after that. Marinate it. Put it in 30 minutes and we'll come right back. All right. Bye.